अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ज्योग्राफी का लेसन नंबर 3 मोशंस ऑफ द अर्थ। मोशंस ऑफ अर्थ का मतलब होता है कि हाउ आर अर्थ रोटेट्स और व्हाट आर द मोशंस ऑफ द अर्थ। वी आर हैविंग अ टू मोशंस, रोटेशन एंड रिवॉल्यूशंस। राइट नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन। All the planets in our solar system, including the Earth, rotate on their axis. Simultaneously, they also revolve around the Sun in their orbits. The two major types of motion of the Earth are called rotation and revolution. As I told you in this chapter, we will read about the motions of the Earth, how our Earth rotates, and what are the motions. There are two motions, rotation and revolution. Let us read about the rotation. You might have seen the sun rising in the east and setting in the west every day. However, it is the earth's spinning motion from west to east that creates the impression of the sun rising and setting. This motion of the earth on its axis is called the rotation. देखिए बच्चों, when earth rotates on its axis, that motion is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. यानी कि 24 आवर्स यानी कि 1 फुल डे. इट रोटेट्स वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. द पीरियड ऑफ रोटेशन इज नोन एज अर्थ डे ऑल्सो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप ये डायग्राम देख सकते हैं. इसमें आपको यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. यहाँ पे आपको इसमें दिखाया हुआ है अर्थ ऑर्बिट्स इन इट्स रिवॉल्यूशन अराउंड द सन. नाउ लेट अस रीड. फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस in space, the earth seems to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction or from west to east. I told you earth rotates on its axis west to east. The rotation of the earth explains why the places located in the east have sunrise earlier than those located in the west. As the earth rotates, the speed of the motion is constant and you move along with it at the same speed. That is why you do not feel the motion of the earth. Now effect of the rotation. देखिए, as I told you, when the earth rotates on its axis, it takes 24 hours one day. When it rotates on its axis, it causes day and night. यानी कि जो पार्ट सन के लाइट में आता है दैट इज़ डे, और जो डार्क में होता है जिस पार्ट पे सन नहीं पड़ता दैट इज़ नोन एज द नाइट. नाउ वी विल रीड इन फ्रॉम बुक ऑल्सो. द अर्थ एक्सिस मेक्स and plane angle of 66 half degree with the plane of its orbit. This plane is called the orbital plane of the earth. Due to the earth's nearly spherical shape, at any point of time one half of it has day while the other half has night. This is because as the earth rotates, one part faces the sun. यानी कि बेटा देखो, जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं, अब जैसे अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है, जो ये वाला पार्ट है यहाँ पे ये लाइट पड़ रही है, ये जो लाइटिंग वाला जो एरिया होता है दैट इज़ नोन एज द डे टाइम. और जिस पार्ट पे one part faces the sun has daylight while the opposite side which is away from the sun is in darkness and experience night. This daily movement of the earth is called its diurnal motion. Right now, imaginary lines that divides the earth day from the night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. This circle does not coincide with the axis. जैसा कि आपको यहाँ पे इसमें दिखाया गया है, देखिए यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, इट्स क्लियर. दिस इज सन, ये डे टाइम है, ये नाइट टाइम है. या रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. नाउ टाइड्स. टाइड्स आर अनदर इफेक्ट ऑफ अर्थ रोटेशन. इफ वन lives near the sea cause the sun and the rise and fall in water level at different times. देखिए यहाँ पे आपको दिखा रखा है, ये लो टाइड्स हैं, ये हाई टाइड्स हैं. ऑफ द डे इज विजिबल when the moon is directly overheated. Its gravitational force pulls the water in the ocean and causes water to rise. This is called the high tides. When the moon is further from the earth, the water levels decrease. This is called low tides. This is movement happens twice a day. This is all about the rotation. In next video, I will tell you about the revolution. Thank you for all.